Good morning, children. How are you? In the last class, we studied about the evolution of human. Let us recall what is human evolution. Human evolution means the process through which the humankind changes and develops towards an advanced stage of life. See how the modern human has evolved. Humans in erect position, that means straight position, and walking on two legs happen much later. Changes in thumb so that they can hold the things tightly. And the last one is development of brain. In the last class, we studied about the migration of Homo sapiens that I explained through one map. Let us see the map once again. The red color arrow shows which part of the world and all Homo sapiens migrated. Homo sapiens who migrated out of Eastern Africa settled in different parts of the world. Why they migrated? What is the reason? Their lifestyle also evolved and they made it suitable to the environment in which they lived. As they go from one place to another place, they adapted themselves according to the environment. Okay. So humans in different places adopted different forms of lifestyle. Based on the weather, climate and nature of the living place, their physique and complexion also differed. This resulted in the formation of different races. Human procreation resulted in an increase in the population. Let us study about the hunting and food gathering of this human. Children, we know that millions of years ago, our ancestors led a nomadic life. Do you know what is nomadic life? The people will not be in one place. They will be keep on moving in search of food. They lived in groups in a cave or a mountain range. Each group consisted of 30 to 40 people. They kept on moving in search of food. They hunted pig, deer, bison, rhino, elephant and bear for food. They also scavenged the animals killed by other wild animals like tiger. Do you know what is scavenging? Scavenging means eating an animal which was already killed by other wild animal like tiger. Is it clear, children? They learned the art of fishing. That means they know how to do fishing. They collected honey from beehives, plucked fruits from the trees and dug out tubers from the ground. They also collected grains from the forest. Once the food resource got exhausted in one area, that means once the food is got over in that particular area, these people moved to another place in search of food. When we talk about their hunting method, I have to tell you one thing. They were following different methods of hunting. Either they go as a group and hunt the prey, or they dig a pit and trap the animals and hunt. When we talk about the dress, children, do you know what did they wear? You already studied in the previous classes. The early humans were wearing hides of animals and barks of trees and leaves for protecting their bodies during winter. So humans began hunting to satisfy their need for food. Now let us study what is art of flaking. Art of flaking is nothing but keeping a stone in the bottom and sharpening it with another stone, making something new with the help of another stone. Okay. To make a stone tool, 2 stones were taken. You can see that in the picture. You can understand clearly. One was used as a hammer to sharpen the other for removing flakes. This is what we call art of flaking. Is it clear, children? Since hunting was the main occupation of humans in the past, it was difficult for humans to kill a big animal with a stick or a stone. So they decided to use sharpened weapons. The best stone for the making weapons was Chikkimuki Kal, that is flint. You can see that in the picture now. It is known for its strength and durability. Humans spent many hours in search of a flint stone. They made a sharp weapons and tools with the help of the stones and fitted them with wood to grip them. Humans created tools like axes with big stones. Here you will ask me one question. Why were the axes made? Here is the answer. The axes were made to cut the trees, remove barks, dig pits, hunt animals, and remove the skin of animals. Isn't it? Children, do you know what is the next stage after making stone tools? The next stage was that humans discovered the use of fire. At first, humans were afraid of fire and lightning. Probably, fire caused by lightning had killed many wild animals. Humans tasted the flesh of the killed animals, which was soft and tasty. This made humans aware of the effect of fire. They used flint stone to make fire and used it to protect them from predators. Who are predators? Predators are enemies. And for cooking food and for creating light during night. Thus, fire became important for man in olden times. Children, do you know one thing? Even today in the villages of Nilgiris district in Tamil Nadu, people have the habit of making fire without the use of matchbox. That's all today's class, children. Let us meet tomorrow. Bye.